Hello everybody, welcome back to Cinnamon English. Today we are looking at number 2 on my verb series, and if you haven't seen the series before, please look at video 1, which will be linked below, and that has all the information. Otherwise, let's get started. Today we're looking at present progressive, sometimes called present continuous, which is the ing form of the verb, and we use it for something we're doing right now. An action that has started and has not finished. We're doing it now. Okay, let's get started. Now the main thing to remember is the question has ing in it. What are you doing? And the answer also has ing. So when you hear ing, please answer with ing. That's it. So, what are you doing? I am climbing. What are you doing? I am cooking. What are you doing? I am cutting. What are you doing? I am dancing. What are you doing? I am drawing. What are you doing? I am drinking. What are you doing? I am driving. What are you doing? I am eating. What are you doing? I am flying. What are you doing? I am going. What are you doing? I am jumping. What are you doing? I am kicking. What are you doing? I am laughing. What are you doing? I am looking. What are you doing? I am playing. What are you doing? I am reading. What are you doing? I am writing. What are you doing? I am singing. What are you doing? I am sitting. What are you doing? I am sleeping. What are you doing? I am standing. What are you doing? I am swimming. What are you doing? I am walking. What are you doing? I am writing. Very good. Well done. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, have a look at my channel. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.